everyone, welcome to Papa Sky channel. My name is Prashant and the topic of the day is Jira dashboard and metrics. Today I am going to discuss about how to create an important metrics and dashboard in Jira. So for creating a dashboard in Jira, first you need to go to the dashboard option. From there, click on create dashboard option. Here you need to give your team name. Once you have given your team name, you are seeing option viewer. So here you can have a multiple option like project, group, my organization. If you're selecting a my organization, so anyone and everyone who is having access on Jira, they can see your dashboard. And in editor, you can make it either private or you can assign to anyone who want to edit this dashboard. So I'm keeping it private. Then you need to click on save. Once you click on save, your eMart team dashboard has been created. This is a placeholder. So for creating a gadget in the Jira, you are seeing the right hand side, you are having the multiple gadget over here. So from there, you can drag down the gadget and start creating the dashboard. Today I am going to show you few important matrices, how we create on those. Now suppose you want to create important dashboard on all open defects and bug for your project to have a holistic view and to track closely. So for that, first you go to the issues to create a filter. Here you can select your project. In type, select bug. Status, you can select all the status. Then you can add more fields like priorities, reporters, and click on save filter. Here you need to give the filter name. So here I am giving the filter name as a bug for eMart. If you want to keep it private, otherwise give the access to everyone. Click on save. So here your filter has been created. Now we'll create a dashboard based on this filter. So go to the dashboard, select your dashboard, click on edit. Here first we'll decide which gadget we need to select. For example, we want a pie chart, so click on pie chart, click on add. Once you add it over here you're seeing the filter option. In the filter option, we need to select our filter which we have just now created. So here my filter is coming. I am selecting this filter. Then here you can see we are having a multiple options. Based on that your report will generate. So here I see the assignee, change type, priorities and things. So for example, I want to create a bug based on the assignee. Select assignee, and next option is a update every 15 minutes. So if you click on this option, your board or dashboard will be keep refreshing in every 15 minutes, so you will get a live data. Then click on save and let's see what magic happens. See, so you can see the nice dashboard over here which is saying that I am having the overall 86 bugs over here, where 35 has been assigned to Newton, 24 to Prashant, and followed by other people. And this is a live dashboard. So if you hover over there and click on this, you can see all those bugs which has been created. So this is a one way to create a dashboard. Let's see how we can more configure the dashboards. So again, you can go to the edit, click on configure. Now I want a dashboard based on the priority wise, so we can focus more on that. So select priority, click on save. See, so here you can see all the priority bug has been showing. For example, highest priority bug is 35, low is 20, high is 16, medium is 15. Let's go more deep into that. Now I want to configure the bug based on the impact, so the team can focus on the high impact bug first. So click on the impact, click on save. So here you can see we are having 23 bugs where the impact has been not assigned. 20 bugs are there which is minor and localized, 16 are significant, and the 13 are extensive and widespread bugs. So team can focus based on the impact also. So this is how guys you can create a dashboard in the Jira. Once you create it, click on the done option. So this is all your dashboard will showing over here. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe for such more videos. Thank you.